Are you ready to start your journey into the world of data science? Let's break down the roadmap you need to follow. Data science is one of the most sought-after fields in tech. But where do you begin? What skills should you develop? And what steps should you take to become a proficient data scientist? First, you need a solid foundation in math and statistics. This is the backbone of data science. Focus on concepts like probability, linear algebra, calculus, hypothesis testing, and descriptive statistics. These concepts will help you understand how to manipulate data and make accurate predictions. Next, you need programming skills. Python is the most popular language in data science, but R is also used. Learn data manipulation with Pandas, visualization with Matplotlib and Seaborn, and statistical analysis with NumPy. The next step is data wrangling. This means cleaning and transforming raw data into a usable format. You'll deal with missing values, incorrect data types, and more. It's one of the most time-consuming yet critical skills in data science. Once you're comfortable with programming and data wrangling, it's time to dive into machine learning. Understand the different types. Supervised learning for predictive modeling like linear regression and decision trees. Then there's unsupervised learning, which is great for pattern recognition, such as clustering and dimensionality reduction. And don't forget reinforcement learning, which is used for decision-making models. Data science is not just about analyzing data, but about telling a story. Data visualization is key. Learn to use tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Python libraries like Matplotlib, Plotly, and Dash to create compelling visual reports. Being able to communicate your findings clearly is just as important as analyzing the data itself. The best way to solidify your skills is through hands-on projects. Start by working on datasets from sources like Kaggle and contribute to open-source projects. Build a portfolio that showcases your ability to handle real-world data and solve complex problems. Data science is always evolving, with new techniques and tools emerging. Keep up with the latest trends in AI, deep learning, and big data technologies. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and take advanced courses to continuously improve. And that's your roadmap. Start with the basics, build up your skills, and gradually dive into more complex topics. With persistence and practice, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful data scientist. Are you ready to take the first step? Let me know your journey in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on data science and AI.